Hey guys, got a quick addition to my TLR7 HLX, my Streamlight. This is from Emissary Development. Basically, if you guys see, it's just a new paddle, really quick to install. Normally on this, at least on the left side, it's gonna look like this. So it's gonna go on like that. They do have some other ones, like a lower one with a smaller profile, but it's got the bracket right there on the bottom. For the way I hold my hand on my offside, I don't like crank it forward like this and have my thumb forward all the way like that, like most people do. I like to get a lot of my drumstick up here, and I don't really ride my thumb at all on the frame at all. So you know, if I wanted to have a good consistent activation on the switch with my offhand, it was kind of hard to reach it, except for I had to break my grip a little bit, so, and then I'd have to push it forward. But with this one, they added a little extension there, so really easy to press that and still keep my primary support grip hand on there. They pretty much come in a set. On the right side for me, since that's my strong side, I just got there a little bit of a shorter one. It's not extended all the way because I don't really want to activate with this finger unless I actually have to. I could usually reach the this with the OEM one from Streamlight, but this one works just fine as well. So I do like that. You can press it down here. And then I do like that extension right there, but it's a really nice upgrade. You guys can get both extended like that, both short like this one, or mix and match, whichever way you want it. And the quality, as far as I can tell, is pretty good, and I've been testing with it, and it's really helpful. So I don't know if you guys were aware that they had those, but they do make them for the TLR7 series. I'm sure they make some other ones. You guys will have to check it out, but just thought I'd make a quick video on that new extension I got. That's, like I said, from Emissary Development. Quick shipping, and they're pretty awesome to deal with.